Now the situation we have here is kind of typical of a lot of old houses, walls and ceilings that are not perfectly straight. So to help us put the crown molding up, I'm going to use these little corner blocks which I've cut. We'll put one of these every few inches, every place we can find a stud or some bracing. To attach them, I'll first put some construction adhesive on the back and then nail them to the wall studs that we located earlier. Finally, time to hang the molding. But first, we mark the position of the wooden blocks on the wall so we know exactly where to nail. Now that all the crown molding is in place, it's time to fill the nail holes. A finger and a dab of spackle should do the trick. We let the spackle thoroughly dry, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Now, despite our careful fitting, there's still some gaps between the top of the molding and the ceiling. But these can be easily concealed by filling them with a bead of painter's caulk and then smoothing it out with the best tool for the job. Once again, our finger.